When you receive your Cabinet Hero, you'll want to ensure a proper fit and if any trimming is necessary. Start by placing the Cabinet Hero on your cabinet door and sliding it back until it reaches the end of the cabinet door edge. Then check for excess on the edge where the door is open. If there is, simply mark it with a Sharpie. A few dotted lines will do, following the edge of the cabinet door. Another option will be to measure your cabinet door width and mark the Cabinet Hero and then cut the size. You will need to use a sharp pair of scissors. And remember to be safe. Cut slow, steady, and straight. And not to worry, if you do make a mistake and you need to recorrect, you can easily trim the Cabinet Hero again. It is very easy to cut. After trimming, place the Cabinet Hero over the door until it is completely seated, flat on the cabinet door edge. If you happen to have an area that has a tight gap between an adjacent door, drawer, or other component, this may also require some trimming in order to avoid the Cabinet Hero's drip ramp from bumping into these areas, which in turn can cause it to slide out of position. You can simply cut a small angled corner off the drip ramp, and this will provide enough clearance to address this issue.